Welcome to another studio vlog. Hi. Today I am with my husband and we are going to make melt and pour soaps from Bramble Berry. I did a little unboxing not too long ago and here we are about to make soap. Let us get started. We got mica powders. We got the melt and pour. We have never done soaps in our entire life, so this will be a very interesting learning experience for both Shane and I. We have this heat gun and this, what's this called? This scale. And we have these pouring pitchers. We have a glass pitcher, which I don't think we'll need a glass pitcher for today. Melt and pour is definitely better for beginners, which is what we are, because we've never done this ever before and we weren't about to start some crazy journey into soap making. So melt and pour, if you're a beginner, this is what you need.
You basically have to have a laboratory to make the other types of soap.
Pretty much.
The cold press.
Yes.
Glycerin and lye. And
lye is dangerous.
it'll burn your skin.
It will hurt you. So if you're looking into cold press process and you're a beginner, watch out for that. Better wear gloves, goggles, which we don't have right now. Anyways, so we are going to use the sea salt orchid and Fraser fir, and we're gonna make these. Yes, perfect.
Yes.
Ha!
Yes. Giant bar of soap.
Nice.
9.4.
Yes. Okay. So now that we have 9.42 ounces of soap here, what we want to do, since we're going to use 2 different colors of mica, we want to divide this into smaller chunks and then pour one here and one here. Now what we want to do is use our handy dandy microwave until this fully melts, and then we can add the mica powder. Let's go down.
The microwave's down there.
The microwave's down here. We have used the microwave to melt these and they are about 160 degrees each of them. Now Shane is going to mix these mica powders into our heated soap bases. Pretty. And now we're adding our micas.
So cool. It's so swirly.
Oh my god, it's so cool. Wow, yeah, just go all over. Swirl it, swirl it. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so cool. Ooh. Oh! Nice.
It jumped out.
It does that. It's
That's
weird.
weird. Oh my god.
Just leave it there. Just leave it there. Little explosion happened. As you can see down here, little mica powder explosion. It looks beautiful. That is what we're hoping to get in our soaps today. Hello, everyone.